Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can change your mirror for this Ford Transit 2012. We have here the new mirror. You're going to have to take this cover out, take these covers out, and here we have 3 screws. We have to take them out. For this we will gonna use the 8mm socket with a ratchet with a extension. And we have to take it out very slowly, because if we don't take it out very slowly, we will gonna drop the screw in the wing, inside of the wing, and it's very difficult to take it out. Just like I said, fuck. Okay, now we need the small screwdriver in minus as well, because we were gonna have to remove the plug from inside of the mirror for this side lamp. Okay, we press here and we remove it. I found the screws as well, this one which I drop it. Okay, now we have to put a new mirror. Okay, let's remove this one first. Push this one inside and here gonna come out. Okay, and now let's put this one back on the new one. That's it. Now let's connect this plug. Okay. Now we take this one as well. Now we're gonna take this one, this screwdriver with a 8mm bit. I'm gonna put inside. And we have to start putting everything back. Okay. Be carefully when you put this one back, when you put the screws back, so don't drop them inside of the wing, because you have to remove again. That's it. Let's put the covers back. We're gonna put the last cover, and that's it. This is the way how you remove and change the mirror for this Transit 2012. If you like this video, please give me one like. If you are not subscribed yet, you can subscribe to my channel to see more videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.